Hey guys, this is a Defcon Proella Tactical Folding Pocket Knife, D2 Steel, EDC Flipper. It's got blue anodized hardware, standard pocket clip. It's pretty flimsy, but it is only a cheap knife. I think these retail for about 80 bucks in Australia. I mean, it's pretty aggressive looking. Has a bit up here where you can choke up on the blade. For those fine cutting tasks. Overall, it doesn't feel too bad in the hand. It's pretty easy to open and close. I mean, for a cheap basher, I'd probably recommend it for about the 80 bucks posted to your door.